everybody. I'm Pomu. Welcome. Welcome back to Heavy Rain. I should probably... Hold on. Wait. Pause. Sorry, I forgot to give a recap. Okay, so let's go over the characters again. We have the dad, who is looking for his son, Sean. We have the FBI Nahman, who we thought I killed, but I guess I didn't. We have a boss babe who doesn't ask questions. I don't remember her name. We have the detective who we're about to play as right now. Yes. Let's get back into it. We are at 3.6 inches.
Magazines about origami? You think the killer could have subscribed to one of those?
If he was even
No way.
in origami in the last 30 years, his name may be in there somewhere. Trouble is, there's over
I
500
subscribe to
names.
Origami
It's a
Magazine.
squat. Oh, I'll cook up the eggs while you're under the shower.
Me too, I'm coming in. Let me in! Wait, can I actually go in?
I should prep those scrambled eggs.
I should prep those scrambled eggs.
The list of subscribers to Origami Magazine. You still
Stop.
got that, right?
Stop!
Oh, yeah, I've got... Lauren, wait.
There are children dying, and this is too much work for me.
Yeah, I suppose.
Why don't you want her to figure this out?
His name is here somewhere. Help me. We're gonna find him.
Why don't you want... Why... Like, he wants to play detective. He doesn't want to do the actual work. She's doing all the actual work! Look at her going! Boobs out and everything. Oh! She looks so satisfied.
It's cold. It's raining. I'm standing outside getting soaked. Oh, how I love my job.
Oh my god, he really just doesn't want to work then.
I'm looking for the grave of a young boy who died about 30 years ago. His name is John
Why are you
Shepherd.
asking? Oh, I'm the graveyard
know where it is by
expert.
any chance?
Yes, of course I know.
Graves are in the next plot.
Thanks.
Children's graves are in the next plot. Okay, sorry. Over here?
Hey, Scott, where are you going? John Shepherd's grave must be somewhere around here.
Did anyone ever tell you shouldn't shout in the cemetery?
What is happening?
Take it easy. The dead don't mind.
My god. Why did he lose this man? Someone help this man. Can you help me again? Where did you say? Excuse me? Wait, is this... She found it! Oh, we got it! We got it! Nice! Watch, this is like the...
Flowers are fresh.
kill... Oh, there's an origami!
That one I knew well.
You knew John Shepherd?
You knew him?
I've worked this graveyard nearly all my life.
So you knew him
Remember what?
dead? Or...
77, October. I think.
Wait. Huh? That doesn't make any sense.
Bitch can't catch me!
I'm coming. Here I come. I'm coming for you, kid. Oh, he's running zigzags like I'm a goddamn gator. Come here. Come here, kid. Long live the king. Oh, no. Wait, hold on. I'm going to lift him up a little bit, and then I'm going to drop him. Long live the king. Okay, come on, kid. That wasn't it wasn't as, you know, exciting as I thought it would be. What?
Move your ass! I'm waiting!
He's just like me! Oh my god.
Come on!
Up! 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 I hope the next one's up. Oh, good! Up! Up! I'm just climbing up! Up! 20! Here I come! Ready or not! Wait, what the? Oh my god!
My foot. My foot is stuck.
Oh my god!
Up around there.
Oh shit. Oh, oopsie. I'm gonna kill this kid, aren't I?
But the poor kid never did find any help.
What? Oh, the Blue Lagoon, that's right. I forgot we got that information.
Paco Mendez. He's the guy who rented the docks
Do I
apartment on
need
Marble
to...
Street.
Is there anything I need to censor here?
Better be careful.
Here we go.
He might be the killer.
Boots and cats, 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 boots and cats. Oh,
Bartender.
yeah.
That's not possible.
Oh, why not?
Mendez has asked not to be disturbed.
Yeah, but I'm high. Shake my booty a little. Oh, look how dumb I am. I don't even know how to dance. Ooh, she looks so stupid. Alright, here I go. Ooh, just kidding. Oh, don't I look so stupid and drunk? The way she smiles every time is so funny. Oh, damn it!
I have to rethink my strategy if I want to talk to Paco.
Yeah.
Gotta
Oh,
find something to change.
change. I thought I would want some privacy, you know.
Time to play the sexy girl.
Okay, mess up your hair. Or fix it. Oh, yeah, there you go. Yeah! Oh, give us nothing, queen. Yes! What did you do? It looks the exact same. What? And my skirt? Shorten that. Oh! Oh. Oh my god. That was too close for comfort. Again? Girl, that's not how you put on eyeliner. What are you doing? Why are you only doing your inner line? Why are you only... What? Okay. I'm a hot bitch. That's right. Let's go flirt some information out of them, man. I'm the hot one. Dance, dance. Like as my life depends on it. And B and A. Whoa, shit, Y, A, X, B, A, Y, A, X, B. Oh, shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it. X. Oh, shit, that was B, B, X, B.
Oh, cool, baby. Yeah, come with me.
Wait, what? Why not talk in front of... There's no one will be able to hear you. Oh gosh, I have to keep up with him. Okay, it's fine. You can see his... Oh my god, he's really fast! Wait up, Paco! I'm wearing heels! Paco!
Show me what you can do. Take it off. Slowly. I think it is you who have misunderstood, honey.
Oh my god! No,
I'm
no!
tired of wasting my time. It's now or never.
What is happening with the music?
They never.
That's right. Look. Oh god, she looks so scared. Oh no, please. Oh my god. Oh my god. I can't. Come on, grab it. No, grab it. Please, grab it. Please. Oh my gosh, please, controller. Okay. Oh my god. No, I had it, please. Controller. She's getting more. Oh, thank god the music stopped. Oh no, he has it on loop. He only has one track. There we go. Yeah. Okay, now go. Grab.
That's what I call kicking butt.
Grab. No.
You go, girl.
I thought you were there for information. Come on,
Boss?
just.
Is everything all right?
There, that wasn't so hard, was it?
Neither are you anymore.
This romantic moment.
Or maybe you
I
are.
gotta dash.
See you next time, lover boy.
Lover boy. Woohoo! Wait a second.
I'm here to see Paco.
Paco!
There ain't no Paco here, fella. Get lost.
Wait, what?
Are you absolutely certain?
Wait, Paco!
He's in his office. Take the stairs over there.
Get me in here. Come on, hurry up. Nahman, just push your way. They're drunk. They don't care. Just go. Go, 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 go. There's only one way in, one way out. Come on, come on, come on, come on.
Hello, you
Go,
get
go
me
up
out
the
of
stairs!
prison.
What are you doing?
That fucking bitch nearly killed me.
What are you doing? Go up the
Everything
stairs,
you
Nahman!
I
Nahman!
my debt to you.
Nahman! What are you doing?
Don't fuck around, man. No.
Nahman!
No, wait. I can still help you out. No. Don't kill me.
What's happening? Why would it let me go up the stairs?
Look,
Oh,
I know
yes.
you get me out of prison. That fucking bitch nearly killed me.
Dun dun. Wait, the guy didn't leave though. Oh my god. Wait, why do you always look like you're getting your ass beat, Norman? Come on, I'm doing this correctly, and you're always the one who's looking like he's getting the one. Oh shit! Wow, where did you get this sword from? This fucking weeaboo! No, why? Oh my god, Norman! Oh my god, why are you always getting your butt beat for real? Norman! Nahman! You are so useless! Oh my god! It's painful! It's so painful!
Did Paco know the guy? Yes or no? John. He said his name was John. Friend of Paco's. Always let him straight up.
Oh my god! Norman, why aren't you rushing? Why aren't you? You are the most useless FBI agent I've ever met. We should have just let you die. You had the guy right in front of you! I'm so angry right now. I'm so mad. This is your fault. Camp, I hate this guy. I don't. What? I thought Nahman was supposed to be so great. Everyone was like, "Oh yeah, Nahman. Don't kill off Nahman. He does nothing, and he's gonna take all the credit in the end. You watch. He's gonna take all the credit." Oh God, no, Ethan, are you okay? Oh no, he's crying. Oh, Ethan. Ethan, are you okay?
Ethan, are you alright?
This is so sad. I'm sorry. Whoa, 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 whoa! Oh my God! Whoa! Yeah, kiss her. Oh, close your mouth. Whoa, 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 wait. What's happening? I thought, wait. Ah! Stop! No censor necessary? Okay, thank you. I'll believe you. I'm gonna believe you. Oh! Ah! Oh, wait! Oh, oh, it's just her bra. He's taking it off! He's taking it off! I have no pinky. I just killed a man. I killed a man and then I fucked. Oh my God! Oh my God! I gotta go get Shine. Was she spying on me? Wait, what? What? Oh my God! Her notes drowned. That's the only thing I could read. She was only sleeping with me for information.
All this time and I had no idea.
Ethan, it's not what you think.
I knew.
I'm a journalist.
Say it. Say the J word.
And I knew that you were the
Journalist.
father of the boy who had disappeared. And,
And you took
and I
pictures of me
wanted
in my
to cover the story.
sleep.
I want to be with you.
I want to be with you. What do you guys think? If we forgive, we might get to see her butt again. Okay. Good talk, everybody. It's 'cause your ass is fat.
I'm sorry, Ethan.
Fattison. That's so mean. That sounds like an insult. No.
You're leaving.
Sorry.
Aren't you?
Sorry, Madison.
It's the last origami finger.
Oh, okay. I'm sorry. Everything in this game is making me laugh so much. Oh, yes, actually. Wait. Oh, no! Uh-oh. Uh-oh, we're in trouble.
Cops. They're looking for Ethan.
Oh, my God. Ah! Oh. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. The axe. Oh, oh, my gosh. They're getting tighter and tighter. This cop, please. Why are you tripping over yourself so much? Jump.
Holy fuck!
Oh my God! Why are you so... Why is that like that? What do you think you're fucking Batman? Come on! He's just staring at him. He's so intimidated. He's like, we really can't do anything about a guy like that, huh? Oh my God! And then he gets run over. What is going on?
You should have listened to me, Mr. Shelby.
Oh my God!
I told you to drop the investigation. Your investigation is for good.
Oh! Oh my God! Holy shit! No! Oh no! 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 Oh my God! Oh my God! It worked! It worked! It worked! Get her! 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 Wait, was that a mistake? Oh! Wait, can I restart? Can I restart? I kind of... Oh! Oh! Look at him! Look at him go! We did it! Yeah! Ooh, oh, now we're in... Oh, George is getting angry. Oh, we're gonna RT, but like angrily. Oh, hell yeah! Oh! Whoa! Wow, wait! Oh my God! This guy is insane! Beat! Holy shit!
Stay back! Don't come near me, or I'll shoot!
CQC!
Fucking asshole! My heart!
No way.
My heart!
Fox! Die!
Quickly! I need my pills! In that drawer! There!
Leave.
Shelby! Come back! I fucking order you! Come back!
I'm still holding them. I'm still holding the pill. My pills now. Shepherd.
Hello, I'm looking for Anne Shepard's room.
These pants are... Oh my God. Look, it's like 2 mountains. It's amazing. I want her workout routine.
Hello, Mrs. Shepard.
Oh, you know how to do these little dogs too.
Yeah, I
My
do.
children loved origami. I taught them how to do it.
Really?
John loved the little dogs.
And
He always wanted to call them Max.
Max.
Max, Max, Max.
Orchid.
What a lovely orchid. My sons loved orchids.
What's his
The foster
name?
family, Mrs. Shepard. What was the name of the foster family that adopted John's brother?
Come closer.
Okay. I'm coming. I'm coming closer. Yeah? Yeah?
You go, girl.
Timmy? No way. Where the hell are... Oh. My goodness. Red means scary. It's the origami killer. Okay, just search the room.
The last trial.
It's gotta be somewhere around
The
here.
last question.
The little tape's gotta be around here somewhere.
Are you prepared to give your life to save your sons? There is
What?
a deadly poison in this file. It will kill you in exactly 60 minutes.
What kind of poison kills you in 60 minutes? Yeah, it's probably... I feel like it's like a bluff, you know?
I did what I had to, Sean.
I'm
Your
sorry.
dad's coming to save you.
Yeah, you can live with your mom. Probably. Oh, God. Norman! Stop! You're gonna fuck this up! You haven't done anything!
Face. This kid's gonna die, and I'm going around in circles!
Yeah, I know! You let the guy get away!
So pack up.
They're gonna
and
say
fuck off.
any kids that die are like,
Blake,
what's it called?
You are an
Copycats.
unbalanced, psychopathic asshole.
I'll take that as a compliment. Honestly, I don't give a shit what you think. I found the origami killer.
Origami.
Everyone's happy. End of story.
Oh, oh, God. Oh, no. My pills. Wait, why is the sword stuck there? Is this the watch that they wanted us to pay for? Oh no! Are you fucking for real? Yes! Oh my God.
Looks like the killer is a cop. Carter Blake. That would explain the dead end investigation and his desire to frame Ethan Mars.
Okay. No way. Accuse Blake.
It's a pretty odd coincidence.
I want it to be him. I want to see what happens.
You accusing me of being the origami killer?
Origami killer? Oh. Oh my!
Lieutenant Carter Blake, you're
I didn't even
under
click
arrest.
anything.
You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can
Are they gonna
or
kill-
will be used as evidence against you in a court of law.
You should be locked up. You're a fucking lunatic.
The guy's just standing. The guy's in the back standing behind.
A cop. There's only one cop in that geoprofiling zone. Gotcha.
Got you. Who is that
He owns
guy?
a warehouse on the docks. If I'm wrong, Sean Mars is dead.
Tell me who the origami killer is. I want to know who killed my son.
Tell me who the killer. Oh my gosh.
Listen, when
The-
I'm done, I'll
The
tell you
background is
everything I
blurred,
know.
but you can see it around her hair. I'm kind of blocking it, but like you can see where it's not blurred. Oh my God!
Dad, it's John. He found your bike. He's
Get out of
coming.
here, you little pet. Leave me
You
alone.
gotta come, Dad. Come on, John's gonna die. John's gonna
Well,
die.
that'll be one less greedy mouth to feed.
Oh my
won't it?
God!
Go away.
Please, Dad.
Go
I'm
away.
begging you. John's gonna die. John's gonna
What did
die,
I
Dad.
tell ya? Grab.
I tried, John. I really tried. But he wouldn't come. Please don't die, John.
Anybody else? Anyone else? Please don't die, John.
Don't forget about this guy.
Wait, why is he dead? Is he what? Why is he dead? Oh, Scotty. Wait, I'm just so confused why he's dead. What the hell is Scott? I got the achievement nerd. Oh, come on, man. You're gonna make it him. His inner thoughts lie to you. But like, why does he? How did he get this picture? How did you get this picture? What? What? Wait, I'm so confused. That didn't happen. That didn't happen. I'm so confused. Hey, open up. I need some help. And there we go. Nice.
Once you touch, girl, you go, girl.
Why is the doorknob at the center of the door? I don't... It's a double door. Nope, it's not.
Origami killer's apartment. There must be something that'll tell me where Sean Mars. A cop's uniform. Always trust a cop. That's why children went with him. He was dressed as a cop.
Okay. What? Oh. Enter password. Max? He always said Max. He can't.
Got it. It's got to be where Sean Mars is.
He's got
Hurry. There's no time to
folder
lose.
on his computer named Sean Mars. You could have, when you like have your like, you know, your hentai folder, but you name it homework, but not even him. He's just like, nah,
This
man.
is where he cultivates.
And he's gonna come on in. There it is.
So you found my little secret?
Oh, bye-bye. Okay. Oh, that thing scared me. I thought it was a bug.
You go, girl.
Yeah, get out of there. No, what are you doing? Get out there. Oh my god.
And be sure to feel every door before you open it. If it's hot, ouch, better not open it. There may be fire on the other side.
No way.
There may be fire on the other side.
What is X? Ouch! Ouch! Don't walk in the fire, dummy! Oh my god, get out of the fire! Get out of the fire! Down?
Better not open.
Oh. Oh, fridge. Goodbye, sandwich. Goodbye, sandwich. Oh shit! Oh my god! You can survive anything! You can oh. Okay, that's very convenient. You can survive a nuclear blast if you just hide in a refrigerator! Yes, I learned that from Indiana Jones!
My name is Madison Page. You don't know me. I'm a journalist.
How do you know
We don't
him?
have much time, so listen carefully.
Wait, I know this already. I'm on my way to the warehouse. I gotta go.
Oh. I know all this already. How does he know about Scott? How did he know it was Scott? Oh my god! We're little baby Sean! This kid's lived like a whole week in this water. I don't get it. Come on, get over top of it.
Looking for a father that would be able to do what mine could not do.
Okay, but I did it. So now, like, let me go. Let him go.
Sacrifice himself
Sure.
in order to save his son.
Sure.
I remembered you.
What about? How do you know me? Oh, because of... Oh, yeah, how I lost my first kid. Oh, you were involved? Oh. I can't... He's just standing there. Oh, my God. Is he alive? Oh, my God. Why? Norman, you're so useless. You're so useless against... This guy has the best shot in the world. He's killed so many guys in one shot. Oh. Call an ambulance. Whoa. water up his nose and everything. Oh god. I don't think I'm gonna live through this. There, I'll attempt. Who is standing down there? Why? Who is standing down there? Wait, who was that? No, there's more cops.
Suspect is likely to be armed and dangerous. All personnel are ordered to shoot to kill. I repeat, shoot to kill.
Who are they going
Are the
after?
snipers in position? Yes, Lieutenant. They're ready on your command.
Who are they?
Perfect. He won't get away this time.
Who are they going?
We'll gun him down as soon as he shows his face.
Wait, do they know it's? Who are they killing?
Hey!
Oh, we're still going. Okay. What just happened? Oh, RB. Sean! Is he dead? Yeah, don't stop. Keep going. Keep going. Oh, whoa. Looks like a zombie. Oh God. This kid saw the light. You could see it in his eyes.
I thought you were gone.
Oh my God, me too. Oh my God, it's gonna kill me in exactly.
I'm not dead. I took the poison an hour ago.
Yeah, because how would the poison?
I'm not dead.
How would the poison work in exactly 1 hour? I can't. Come on.
You go.
Hey,
what are you doing?
I'm running away. Oh, I'm getting on my bike. Hey. Oh shit, left, right. You go, girl. Not left. Left, right, left. Left. You go, girl. Right. You go, girl. Left. You go, girl. What was the point? What did you do that for?
What do we do? All personnel, hold your fire. I repeat, hold your fire.
What was the point? Stop. Oh my God. Oh shit. I'm gonna die. Why? Why are you guys jumping back onto the conveyor belt? Oh my God! Oh! Long live the king. Wait, I thought you were gonna decide something else. Wait.
If we like it, it's ours.
Oh. What is this kid doing?
We've earned the right to be happy now, Ethan.
You keep, yeah. Oh, wow. No, come on. I'm so bad now. Still good.
We've earned the right to be happy now, Ethan.
Our guest today is on the cover of today's World Magazine this week.
And he's gonna take all the credit in the end. You watch. He's gonna take all the credit. Oh God, no. Is it Norman?
Norman James.
He's seeing them in real life too. What's going on? He's stuck in the metaverse. Oh my God, a little. Oh my, what? What's happening? You were in love with a killer.
Killed my son, Scott.
Yeah.
Nothing can justify it anyway.
Lauren is like the only person that did no wrong in this whole game.
I feel nothing but contempt.
And she got like, oh my God, she did nothing wrong.
Nothing.
She's the
contempt.
MVP. Yeah. Oh, yeah, girl.
You go, girl.
Yeah. Yeah, you patooey on that grave. Scott, Shelby. Why is it in all caps? Yeah. Oh, okay. Not. Yay! Enthusiasm, passion have been incredibly valuable making this game. Ah. Yay! Okay, bye-bye. 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 On the PP. Bye-bye. Have a good night. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.